My life is far from perfect, but I have never, ever, ever, ever been happier in my entire life. I thought I was transformed before y'all, but like I'm feeling like a new person every day, and I can't wait to share with you the secrets, the tips, the gems, the jewels, the lessons, all the things that has helped me get to this point that I know a lot of people could be better off knowing. You ever have one of those friends who you don't talk to all the time? Matter of fact, you might not talk to them often at all. But then when you talk to them again or hear from them again, it's like no time has passed. You pick up right where you left off. No love was lost. You two still adore each other and enjoy each other and all of that. You ever have one of those friends? Because that's me. I'm totally that friend. I know you may not see me very often around here. Definitely not as often as I would like. However, that does not mean by any means that when I'm not here, I'm not thinking about you. Okay, wait, that was a lot of negatives. Wait, let's be more clear. Even if you may not see me here, you are always on my mind. I'm always thinking about this channel and our Unbothered community that we're building here. So I hope that you don't take it any kind of way when I seemingly disappear or something. I know quite a few of you either comment or check on me or DM me or what have you, like, girl, you okay? Where you at? What's going on? Are you coming back? And I hope that you know that the answer will always, always, always be yes. There are many times when I feel like I have to step away and take a break from presenting to people and being in front of a camera and all of that, because there's a lot of work that has to happen behind the scenes that if I don't take care of it, nobody will. So I do have to split my time quite a bit between being here with you where you can see my face, where we commenting and all that. And by the way, I still always, always, always respond to comments. So let me know, talk to me, like hit me up. I'm here. I'm alive. I'm well. Thank you. I hope you are too. It's just that the video filming process and the editing process and the posting process, y'all, it takes time. I like to produce quality videos for you. I like to make sure that I am showing up as my best self for you. And so it does take a while sometimes. It does take me a while to get things worked out behind the scenes, both in my personal, regular life as a single mom. It takes effort. Can I get an amen in the comments if you know what I'm talking about? Or as a single parent, period, right? Plus, we're totally still in the middle of this mess of a world, of a situation that we've been dealing with. It's been taking me some time. So rest assured though that I've been thinking about you. I've been working on things for you. Yes, things are coming. I've been teasing this for such a long time, and I'm so sorry. I don't mean to be like mysterious or whatever and to keep the suspense for this long. It's just that I'm working things out behind the scenes. I'm building things, I'm crafting things, I'm drafting things, I'm designing things. I might have to start letting you in on a little more of the behind the scenes stuff so that you know that things are happening and you don't just have to take my word for it. But definitely let me know if you'd be interested in that. Again, it takes time and it takes effort to post things and come up with captions for things and to edit things. And meanwhile, I'd rather spend that time doing like the deep work on those things. So yeah, things are happening. Things are coming. I'll always come back. There is no ghosting here whatsoever. I may have to take a step back. I may have to like slide into my cocoon for a bit and step away from the world to process things as an introvert. That's just part of me. But also to do that work behind the scenes that it does take to build the things that I see for us, for this community. My little Unbothered crew. Yes, I'm so excited. But bear with me while I put it together, while I build it, while I get it together for you. You deserve the best. I'm not trying to be half-stepping and giving you subpar. No. We are working on it. We are getting it together, and you will be hearing more very soon. Hopefully, very, very soon. But again, I'm working on things. We working on it. And we trying to stay alive and thrive all at the same time, which y'all feels like a job of its own. So on that note, I hope that you are well. I hope that you are maintaining. I hope that you are recovering from this disastrous, traumatic event that we all have experienced and are experiencing together. I hope that your family's safe and well. And I hope that we'll be meeting back here very soon with some new challenges, okay? Can we say Confidence Challenge 2.0? What? Like be the you of your dreams challenge? What? Wait a minute. Something might be coming, I'm telling y'all. The point is that I have great things in store and great things planned for us, both me and my life, and then us as a community. Anything that helps me. No, how do I put this? My life is far from perfect, but I have never, ever, ever, ever been happier in my entire life. And I can't wait to share with you the secrets, the tips, the gems, the jewels, the lessons, all the things that has helped me get to this point that I know a lot of people could be better off knowing. You know what I mean? Like, if it's something that I can do and something that I can learn to transform my life in the way that I've been able to, I know that everybody else can too. You know, so if you want some of that, I'm willing to share everything that I have learned, that I have been learning. Y'all, I've been reading so much. It's ridiculous how many books I've gone through in like the last maybe year. I've probably read more books in the last year than I've read in the last decade or more. Like, I always used to say that college ruined reading for me because of all the textbooks and things that you'd have to read. But I've just been like soaking up so much knowledge, and it's been amplifying things for me even more. And so I thought I was transformed before y'all, but like I'm feeling like a new person every day, and I can't wait to share with you all the tips, all the things. So yes, it's being built, it's being created, and I hope that I will see you back here for it. Ooh, my arm is getting tired. I don't have my tripod or anything. I just decided to pick up my phone and fill you in on some things that have been on my mind, things that I've been, fly, get out of here. Things that I've been wanting to share, things that I've been eager to tell you about, but it feels like, you know, it's not time till it's time, and it's almost time, y'all. So get ready. Seriously, like get ready. And please, if you wouldn't mind, turn on your notifications. I don't post like on a regular schedule per se, so you can miss them when they come, and I definitely don't want that to happen. I have been getting comments lately like, oh, how did I miss this? Where did this come from? I didn't see this get posted. And so notifications help with that. And of course, you know, it's not like spam or anything, because it's always quality stuff. I'm always bringing you my best. And yeah, like I said, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know how you are. Let me know that you're well. I would love to hear that. This world right now is scary, and there's never been any guarantees, but it feels like even less of a guarantee that we're all gonna make it to the next year. You know what I mean? So I'd love to hear that you're well. I love video suggestions and such as well. I always listen. It may take me a while to get to it or to deliver to you a quality video on the subject you've requested. I know we've gotten quite a few requests for a video about plastic surgery and like the BBL pandemic that's going on right now with the Brazilian booty lifts. I had to clarify that one myself. Like, BBL, what's that? So yeah, the booty lips. Booty lips? What, girl? What are we saying? The booty lifts? And all of the body augmentations and things that are becoming more and more popular these days. I actually wanted to do that video live with my sister so that we can have like the interaction with you all, as well as the interaction between me and her, getting another perspective, having some other ideas and talking points and stuff to consider with more people in the conversation. The scheduling of that just never worked out. We had it for 1 week, then we pushed it, and now it's like, I'm just gonna film a video about it. But it has taken me a while to gather the information I need to really look into it, to really understand how people are feeling about all this, you know what I mean? So that video is coming. I still have that Old Navy video that I filmed a while ago. I'm like, ooh, it's been a while. Should I even edit it? Are the things still available? So that's pending. There's a sex on the first date video. It's like a reaction video that I filmed. You know, it's been a while. I've been filming, I've been documenting things. But again, it's the editing, publishing, posting. So bear with me and forgive me if you felt abandoned or neglected or ghosted or anything. I would hate for you to feel like I'm just leaving you high and dry. Am I getting shaky? My arm is getting so tired. Pardon me. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm always here. In the comments, I'll always comment back. We have email addresses and such listed down below where you can actually write to me. I do have a mailing list, an email mailing list, where I can keep you updated on the things that are happening. I don't spam, I don't email like daily or anything like that. I'm not going to be all in your face, but when something's happening, it is a good way to know about it. So if you're interested in that, the link is down in the description box below to sign up. What else? I'm also working on building a website. That's taking time as well. So there are a lot of things that I'm trying to get up and going and up and running at the same time. So it's taking a lot of me. I don't have a partner. I don't have a team. I don't have anyone other than me working on this. And so bear with me and just know that I got you, boo. We still in this. We still in this. And I so appreciate you being here and for you always watching. You have no idea. Words cannot express how happy it makes me that those of you who watch are still here watching and that you come back. And I know that there are 1,000 other things that you could be doing or watching right now. So I certainly appreciate you being here with me. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And for the challenges and everything else that's going with it. Ooh, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. I just know it. I just know it. I just know it.